Is your Vivo Y20 battery draining fast or not charging? Hey race, how to replace it with a third-party battery. Let's begin. Peel off the old battery. It's held in place with adhesive, so go slowly to avoid damage. Place your new third-party battery in the same position. Press down firmly, then reconnect the battery cable. Power on the device and check if everything works fine. And that's it. Vivo Y20 battery replaced with a third-party unit. Like, share, and subscribe for more mobile repair tips.